What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and I am burnt out. By the time you're watching this is literally the 4th video I filmed, but it's the final video I gotta film and edit. Well, I gotta edit a couple more. My energy is low. I apologize for that, but I'm still still trying to get energy, because right after this video, I'm gonna go lay my ass down and just relax. I'm tired. I've been up early and I've been doing mad running around, but you're not here for that. You're not here for the sob story. You see the title. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. As soon as we get 1K subs, we're doing a free giveaway. So if you want something free down the road, hit the subscribe button. You can win something for free. As well as like this video, leave a comment. I respond to all my comments. So everyone that takes the time out of their day to comment, thank you. I appreciate you. And by my appreciation, I respond to all my comments. So, you see the title. Let's get right into it. My Instagram, my other YouTube, all that stuff, all the links will be down below in the description. So, let's get right into it. So, off rip, you guys already know. You see the title. So, you already know I'm about to show you guys. Now, this is not my pair. This is my friend's pair. So, shout out to my friend for letting me hold these to do the review for you guys. I know the sneaker came out like a while ago, but they've been restocking, dropping them here and there, giving people a second chance. Now, I have a toddler size that I got on their website. You know, what they name it, the Jordan 3 Maniéres, whatever. My fault if I'm butchering the name, but you know these sneakers. You see the title. I just don't know how to pronounce it. I just literally forgot, whatever. But I had a toddler size on their website, and I was embarrassed to do a video on the toddler. But now I could do the comparison. But for the men's pair, they come with this clear slide out. Reminds me of the Jordan 11s when they used to have that. The flight box, the Jordan 3. So they gave them a little special box, you know, typical. And then this is a size 10.5 men's, so that's a 9 women's. Well, this is a women's shoe, I forgot. So it's 10.5 women's, 9 men's. So yeah, 10.5 women's. So real quick, let's get into it. Got the nice shiny thing box. Got the paper. Oh, but here you go, right here. Boom. Comes with the tags. Right, is it upside down? I don't really know. Yeah, it is. But yeah, it comes with the tag. This tag, the Nike Air that comes with Jordan 4s or 3s, I guess. I forget. But either way, it's right there. The Nike tag. Got the white laces, but has the A on there. The cream back. A little brown. Whatever color this is labeled to be. Not brown, but you see the shoe right there. We'll make that the thumbnail. Boom. Because I'm pretty lazy, so I don't want to take out the other shoe. So let's do that one more time with the tag. Boom. Jordan 3 Maniére. Maniére. Yeah, Maniére on the tag. One thing I looked at, this feels like one of those Velcro like couches or coats. You know, the inside with that type of material. Like one of those couch or like those grandma coats. But either way, that's that. There's no real comparison with this, besides this one has the Jordan logo, this one has the A on it. It comes with extra laces. That's about it. One thing I wanted to look at was the laces. I just read this just now. If you see it, let me try to get it for you guys. Right down the lace, it says work. Right on the lace, you can see right there, it says work. And then this lace says harder. Right? That's pretty dope for me. Work harder, because if you see this motivational piece, what it says, nobody cares, work harder. So that's why I have these 2 motivational pieces here. This is something else. I don't know. It says a whole bunch of stuff on there. If you guys ever read it behind me, then you know what it says. But this says work harder on the laces, which is pretty dope, because like I said, that poster right here, this painting, whatever, it says nobody cares, work harder. That's a fact. That's why I have it behind me, because, you know, it's not about sneakers. It's not about a whole bunch of stuff. For people that really watch my other YouTube channel, then you know what it's about. So Nobody cares, work harder. That's a fact. So this is just that. They definitely look nice in person. I do like the details though, like, you know, the little fur type, not leather, but I forgot what the material is literally called, but this material feels good. This feels like a brown purplish color, I don't know, but the shoe is pretty dope. I'm a fan of Jordan 3s, so that's why I don't really mind this type of colorway and material and collab. It's just, yeah, I guess because it's so limited and because it's a nice collab, I guess people do like these because they're going for high on resale market. But for personal, I would not be grabbing these. I don't want them. I don't need them. I'm never going to wear them. But shout out to people that like them. That's the back Nike logo. It gives them the Nike. The bottom, just that typical color with the white and gray. And yeah, that's about it. If you're watching this, like I say, let me know in the comments. Did you grab a pair for personal at the time it came out, and did you grab a pair when they restocked on Nike or when they dropped it on the Maniére website, Maniére, whatever, tongue twister for me. But yeah, let me know if you grabbed a pair of these. And yeah, I did say I was gonna show you guys the Tyler one to compare it, right? Yeah, I don't really have to see that, so just forget it. Let's see. I'll do justice for you guys. If anyone's watching at this timestamp, like around 5-minute mark, because this is what it says, 5:25, literally. If anyone's watching here, let me know if you want to see the Tyler one. I'll post a pic on my Instagram. That's how I know people are not going to comment that, because no one cares, right? It doesn't matter. But here, one final look at the men's size, women's size, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, I got the tag right there. This tag, just I'm on a Maniére thing, and the Nike tag. So that's about it. That's all I gotta say for these. Like I said, it's not my pair, it's my friend's pair. I just grabbed it so I could do a video for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And your boy Little Roy is out. And yeah. Shit. Alright, anyways, forget it. I'm gonna fix it. See you guys in the next vid.